Hello there and welcome to Linux S2O, and this video guide is about XFCE desktop environment. So recently XFCE 4.16 got released and it has got a bunch of new features. So in this guide I'm going to show you how you can install XFCE, the latest XFCE 4.16 on Ubuntu or any of its derivative like Mint, xubuntu, Zorin Lite, etc. So without further ado, let's get started. For the demonstration, I'm going to use Ubuntu 20.04. Now currently this Ubuntu version is using a Buzzy desktop environment and this is working just fine. But for the demonstration, I'm going to install XFCE 4.16. So open up a terminal and add the repository for the latest XFCE 4.16. Type in the password, hit enter again, and it should update the repos in the system. If it is not updating the repos, then simply execute the update command. So after adding the repositories and updating the repositories cache, you can install the XFCE desktop environment. For that, execute this installation command and hit enter. Now you only have to install this package if your existing distribution does not use XFCE desktop environment. For example, this Ubuntu uses Buzzy, or by default Ubuntu uses GNOME. But if you are using any distributions that has XFCE pre-installed like Mint 20 XFCE edition or Zorin Lite or xubuntu for that fact, then you can simply execute the update command and upgrade command. It will automatically update the existing XFCE version to the latest one. This one does not have the XFCE environment installed, so I'm going to hit enter and hit enter again, and it will do the desired setup for me. Now simply reboot the system and choose the XFCE as your desktop environment.